Hello everyone, welcome to UE Knock channel. If you are visiting the city of Yogyakarta, in Indonesia, try to visit a Joglo steak and coffee whose address is at Jalan Unggas, Madalan, Banguntapan, Bantul Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. The concept of the restaurant uses a traditional Joglo house, which is a typical Jogjakarta traditional house. One of the recommended delicious beef steak spots with high-quality meat tenderized using papaya leaves, and grilled to the desired doneness of visitors. Not only provides steak as the main menu, Joglo steak and coffee also provides fried rice, fried noodles, oxtail soup as other heavy meals. As a special menu at Joglo, beef steaks are made varied menu. Not only using meat, steak is also made from chicken. You can mix sirloin, tenderloin with chicken. For the sauce, there are 5 kinds of typical Joglo sauce that you can use. There are barbecue sauce, mushroom cream sauce, black pepper sauce, gravy sauce, and last blue cheese sauce.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Eat well, sleeping well.